good morning, everyone. Actually, it probably won't be morning by the time you watch this, since I'm uploading it in the afternoon. But, yeah, it's Friday, and I'm riding my bike. Hold on. Sorry about that. It's crazy. But, yeah, so today is the second day of school. School started on a Thursday. Interesting. And it was really good, actually. My first day was really good, and I'm very excited. I don't know if you can hear me, actually. Hope you can. Hold on. If I hold it like this, does that help? Maybe. I don't know. But, yeah, so I'm headed to my second day of school, which is very exciting. And, hold on, there's a bump. Yikes, okay. Yeah. There's some morning. Those people think I'm crazy. But yeah, so anyway, my first day of school was yesterday. It was really good. I like all my classes, even though some of them are pretty difficult, like college algebra and honors English 3. But yeah, so pretty excited to go to school today. Yeah. Oh, they changed a rule, and now we're allowed to have our phones out between classes and before school and after school and during lunch. So yeah, that's pretty interesting. Other than that, it's just school. Just school. Yep. Back to a normal routine. I had to work yesterday too, right after school. So I'm recording this on Friday, not Thursday. But yep. See you guys later. I'm almost there. Yes. Here's a kitten. Oh, kitten. Kitten. It's a kitten. Jessica, look at the kitten. I brought my notebooks. I'm looking for a place to sit, and I see these hay bales, and I'm going to select one and sit on it. What the task will be is getting on top of the hay bale, and I'm going to try and record that. My phone just went off, because I'm also texting someone, and someone's shooting off a gun. Good. I'm going to nail this. Alright. Not this one. I'm going for those over there so I can set up my camera against one, record myself, hop on the other. Yeah. This is going to be good. Look at the lake. Oh, look at my shadow. Haha, that's cool. Alright, now I'm recording again. It's after school now. And it's kind of hot outside, so I'm gonna take my jacket off. Hold on. Yeah, I'm sitting on a bench, just on my way home. And yeah, today was day 2, was good as well. I'm very pleased with school. Yeah. So yeah, that's about it. See you guys later.
Hey, thanks for watching wolfpupKG. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to me.